Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will review the free version of the MasterStudy LMS plugin. Even in the free version, we have a lot of things to offer to you. Let's start our work by activating our plugin. Go to plugin section of your WordPress dashboard and add MasterStudy LMS and activate it. The first thing that you see after the plugin activation is the LMS Wizard. LMS Wizard is a tool that helps you to configure the very basic and general settings of your website in a very simple 6 steps. In the first step, you need to choose your business type. Let's say I will go for a marketplace. In the second step, you need to generate some courses page or change the course page layout and much more. Just set up the settings according to your needs. In the third step, you need to change the single course settings. In the curriculum section, you can change the quiz style or give some permissions to your instructors to upload video lessons and creating new categories. Last but not least, you can also play with the instructor pre-moderation and instructor registration accessibilities. It was the last step and you can finish the setup, and in the 6th step you are done. If you accidentally skip the LMS Wizard, you can reach it by going to Tools and LMS Wizard. But if you want to dive into more settings of the plugin, you need to reach MasterStudy LMS and settings of the plugin. And here you can see there are a lot of settings that you can play. You can check out this video tutorial to learn more about MasterStudy LMS settings. Another amazing tool that comes with the MasterStudy LMS plugin is MasterStudy Starter theme. It's a completely free theme and you can install it by going to the appearance section of your plugin and MasterStudy Starter theme. During the theme installation, you will also get Elementor and Elementor header and footer builder actuations as well. Let's visit our website. Great, now this is how our website looks like. Let me introduce you with the tabs contained in our plugins dashboard. I'm gonna also explain the features inside of them. Let's start with Courses tab. In the Courses tab, we can play with our courses. We can delete, create, or edit the existing courses. Actually, edit the course with Course Builder will give you more opportunities, and we're going to talk about it more after some time. We can also change the author of the course. For example, I can change the author of the course to Abdul Rahim by clicking this button. Managing students also will give you another great opportunity to track your students. For example, you can see the completed lessons and the results of the quizzes. In the Lessons tab, you can see the list of available lessons. You can edit, remove, or change the author of the courses from here. Additionally, you can see the number of new questions in the lesson coming from the Q&A section. The next step is Quizzes. Here you're gonna manage your quizzes. You can add, remove, or delete the quizzes. It's very simple and easy to follow. We're going to talk about it in detail after some time. The next one is Questions. Basically, here we will display the list of questions that you have created to create your quizzes. The next one is Reviews. Here you can see the reviews that received from users. You can approve the reviews from here, and it will be displayed in your website. The next one is Orders. There will be displayed the orders that has been received from your users. You can also change the status of the orders. The next one is Courses category. Here, new course categories can be added. Just fill the appropriate informations. For example, indicate the name here, the slug, and the parent course category, description, category image, category icon, and category color. The next one is questions category. The same with the courses category. Here, new question categories can be added. The next one is instructor requests. In this tab, you can check the instructor requests. You can approve the request or decline the request by giving the reason why they are approved or decline it using this box. Alternatively, you can also ban the user. The last one is about settings. When it comes to settings, I would recommend you to check out this video, because in this video, we have explained almost anything in this section in detail. Add-ons. This will open you another gateway of the learning management system. We have very great 22 add-ons available in our Pro package. With them, you will have an access to Certificate Builder, Email Manager, LMS Forms, Zoom, Google Meet, Sequential Drip Content, Udemy Importer, Google Classroom, and many more. Just take the time and check out this feature, and if you want, get the pro version of the plugin. But even in the free version, as you see, we have a lot of things to offer, and in this video, we're gonna step by step explore the free features of the MasterStudy LMS plugin. In MasterStudy LMS plugin, users divided into 3 groups. The first one is admin. Admin has access to anything. The second group is instructors. They will have access to create and manage courses and lessons. Instructors can also track the learning process of students, but they don't have permissions to other things. The last one is students. They can only enroll courses and learn them. Before jumping to other things, let me show the platform by the side of instructors and students. Let me show you how our website will look to instructors. Users can easily become instructor by filling this form. Once the admin approves them, they can start their journey in this website. The page that you are seeing called Instructors Dashboard. In the Instructors Dashboard, the list of available courses for him will be displayed. Instructors can make the course drafted or edit them. If I press Edit button, Course Builder will be opened. In the Announcements tab, instructors can create announcements to the particular courses that they teach. In the Add Course section, instructors can create new courses from scratch. Instructors can also learn the courses of other instructors as well. In this section, enrolled courses of the instructors will be displayed. In the Messages section, messages from students will be displayed, and students can get the answers for their questions. Instructors can save the sum of the courses as their favorite courses. And for the rest of the settings, they can see the enrolled quizzes and the orders, or they can add some students to their courses. Let me show you how students will see our website. The page that you are seeing right now, called it Students Dashboard. In this dashboard, students can see their enrolled courses, their profile settings, their messages with instructors, their favorite courses, their enrolled courses, and their orders. In the Courses page, students can see the list of available courses. Each course consists of description, FAQ, announcement, and reviews tabs. For example, let's open this free course. The interface that you are seeing is called Course Player. Your courses will be displayed students in this interface. Students can close the sidebar, the curriculum, or bring them back. They can minimize and maximize the sections. They can change the mode to dark mode. If they complete the lesson, they need to press Complete the Next button so the next lesson will be initialized. In the Discussions tab, they can leave their questions and get the answers from the instructors and their fellows. Our course player is very simple, easy, and user-friendly. Creating new courses is pretty straightforward. Just follow the MasterStudy LMS courses. In this section, you can see the list of available courses in your website. To add a new course, just go ahead and click on this Add New Course button. Enter the course name, category, level, and upload the course image that will be displayed in the courses page. The page that you are seeing is called Course Builder. Using it, you can create course curriculum and lessons, modify the settings of the particular course, creating the FAQs, and announcing notice to the students. In the Settings tab, you can change the settings of this particular course. In the Pricing section, you can set some price and sale price as well. In the FAQs section, you can create FAQs so students can get their frequently asked questions using it. In the Notice section, instructors and administrators can publish their notice and announcements to the students. Now, let's create a lesson. We have several lesson types, and now I will add text lesson to our course. As it's new course, first I will create a new section. Choose the text lesson as a lesson type. First, we need to give a title to our lesson. Write down the lesson duration in this field. If you want to make the lesson visible to everyone, enable the toggle. To the short description field, write down the very short and clear description of the lesson. It will be displayed in the curriculum section of the course page. Lesson content is the main part. Let's see what we can do with it. You can change the font style of the text to bold, italic, underlined, as well as the text color, background, and size. Or just erase the formatting. Change the alignment of the text. Creating ordered and unordered lists is also possible. Source Code tool will show you the HTML code of the lesson content. You can also insert links to the lessons. Creating tables will make the lessons even more colorful and interesting. You can insert any media using its URL link or its embed code. You can almost add anything with its iframe embed code. Uploading pictures from your computer is also possible. To the lesson materials, add the attachments that your students can download at the end of your lesson. You can edit the label of the lesson material. This is how students see our lesson. Let's move to the next type of lessons, video lessons. Choose the video lesson. as a lesson type. Give the title to the lesson. In our course builder, we have different types of sources that we can use to create video files. We will see each of them one by one. Now, we're going to choose HTML MP4 as a source type. Upload the video poster image and the video itself. You can indicate the video width to here. Write down the lesson duration and fill the other fields according to your needs. Let's see how it will look. Students can continue watching from the point that they stopped before. So even returning the lesson day after, they can still continue from the minute that they left. Now, let's create a YouTube video lesson. Choose the YouTube as a source type. Insert the copied URL of the video, and that's it. Just like the YouTube video lessons, the only thing you need to do is to paste the URL of the video from Vimeo to create a Vimeo video lessons. To create a video lesson from external links, you need to paste the proper URL address. URL should end with the extension of the video file. You also need to upload the video poster image. To add the Embed video lesson, copy and paste the embed code of the video. For example, this is how I did it for YouTube. Using the shortcode, it is possible to display the videos in the lesson content processed by the other additional plugins in your WordPress. Copy the shortcode of the video and paste it. Let's talk about quizzes, the greatest way to examine the knowledge of your students. In MasterStudy LMS plugin, you have two ways to create the quizzes. The first one is just going to the quizzes tab from the plugin's dashboard and add new post. In that way, you can create your own quiz. Alternatively, you can also go to the courses section and edit the course with course builder that you want to add quiz. For example, let me add a quiz to the test course about IT course with course builder. I will go to add a lesson and I'm going to choose the quiz as a lesson type. To create a quiz, the only thing I need to do is to give a title to it. Quiz successfully created. In the Questions tab, you can create, delete, or change the order of questions. In the Settings tab, you can change the settings of the quiz. For example, you can give the short description to the quiz. You can set the quiz duration. For example, let me give the duration 15 minutes. Time units can be minutes, hours, or days. In the quiz style, you can play with the quiz style. We have default pagination and global version. You can also change the pagination or one-page version of the quizzes from your plugin settings. I prefer default version right now. Randomize questions. As its name says, this setting gonna randomize the order of questions. Show correct answer. Gonna show the correct answer after the submission of the quiz by students. Passing rate. So here we need to indicate a percentage for passing the quiz. Let me write down, for example, 70%. And you can also give some penalty for retaking the quiz to here. For example, 5% cut after retake. To the lesson content, you can write down anything that you wanna display as a lesson content in the quiz. Q&A section is just ordinary Q&A section that you can communicate with your students. So let me go back to the questions and add some questions. In a quiz, we have 7 sort of questions, which makes your quiz more colorful and interactive. Let's see each of them one by one. The first one is single choice. First of all, let me introduce with the interface of this particular section. So here we need to write down the question in the plain texts. And if you want to add some sort of image to the question, you can use this button to add it. For example, I've uploaded this image and I'm gonna write down my question, who is this? In the single choice questions, only one answer will be correct among others. In a category, you can specify the category of the particular question, so you can use it again in other quizzes as well. If the category that you want to select is not listed here, you can create it using this button. When it comes to answers, you need to write down answers right from here, and after typing the answer, you need to press enter button on your keyboard or this button to move to the next one. Right now, Benjamin Franklin option is correct. To remove the answer, you can press this icon, and if you want to add some sort of explanation why this answer is correct or incorrect, you can specify it here. You can change the order of the answers as well. If you want to add images, pictures to your answers, you can change the mode to picture mode like this. And you can, for example, upload the image of Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and others as well. But I guess plain text right now is okay. Let's move to the next sort of questions, which is multiple choice. In multiple choice questions, the only difference between them and single choice questions, in multiple choice, we have more than one correct answers. For example, Germany and Poland answers are correct. If you want to change the order of the questions, you can use this button and drag and drop like this. You can minimize and maximize the answers as well. Let's move to the next sort of questions, which is true-false questions. In this type of questions, the answer will be true or false. The next type of questions are matching questions. In this sort of questions, you need to find the correct pairs. For example, in the first site, I'm going to write down the first name of the historical people, and in the next column, I'm going to write down the surname of the historical people. To import the questions from the question library, I need to reach here, and I can filter them by category. For example, history. And here you can see the questions that are related to history. Just put a tick to them and use the add button to add these questions. But right now, I will not add them. Let's move to the next sort of questions, which is image matching. It is completely the same logic with the ordinary matching question type, but only difference is, here you need to match pictures. You can change the alignment. But I prefer this one. Let's move to the next type of questions, which is keywords. In this sort of questions, students should type their answers for the following question. In the next sort of questions, call it fill in the gap. It is very easy and interactive. All you need to do is just write down whole sentence, and you need to border the word that you want to hide from students with straight brackets, like in the example. Let me just copy and paste it. The next thing I want to show you is creating a question bank. You can create a question bank using this button. All you need to do is just write down the bank name, the number of questions in the bank, and select the category. In this way, you can collect all of the questions related to the same topic and use it again in other quizzes as well. Okay, successfully saved. Go ahead and save the quiz and let's see how it looks to students. If I enable the show correct answer option, it will be like this. To check the quiz results, you need to go to Courses and select the course that you want to check the quiz results. Go to Manage Students and select the student that you want to see the results. In the Progress tab, here you can find an interactive quiz and the attempts that made by the student. If you press the Show Student Answers, you can see the answers that students selected. Our plugin completely integrated with the most popular page builders like WP Bakery and Elementor. Alternatively, you can use the shortcodes of the widgets as well. To do this, just reach to the settings of the plugin and find the Shortcodes tab. In this page, you can check out all the available shortcodes and their attributes. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to create a page with Elementor and the widgets of MasterStudy LMS. In the Widgets tab, you can see MasterStudy New Widgets and MasterStudy. Creating pages very easy with Elementor and MasterStudy LMS plugin. Discover infinite opportunities in your LMS with MasterStudy Pro plugin. If you need more info about the Pro plugins, check out this video. For now, that's all. Like, subscribe, and goodbye.